Hello, my name is Maria and I'm going to be with you this week. Welcome to the course. Phrasal verbs. Oh, sorry, I need to get that. Hello? Oh, hi, what have you been up to? I haven't seen you for a while. We need to catch up. Yes, how about you call on me or we could hang out in a cafe? Sounds good. Hold on. Yeah, Monday's great. Perfect. Bye, see you. So, phrasal verbs. How many phrasal verbs could you hear in this 1 minute conversation? In Russian, we use prefixes or completely other words to express a different meaning. In English, if you know 5 verbs and 20 prepositions, you're good to go. Each preposition has its own meaning, and today we're going to look at some of the prepositions and phrasal verbs and how they change the meaning of the verb. So let's start with the first one, up. The first preposition we are going to look at is up. Up usually means to finish something. For example, drink up, eat up, finish your meal, finish your cup of coffee. When you speak about cleaning, you can say clean up or tidy up. It means to tidy your room completely. Also, you can use up with the verb do. For example, do up your shirt. Yes, to do the buttons on your shirt, do up your shirt or zip up your jacket. One other meaning is to make something louder or better or bigger. Speak up. It means to speak with a higher volume. Make up. It means to become friends again. Suit up. Well, I think you can guess this meaning. To dress nicer, to dress better. If you have seen the series How I Met Your Mother, you are very familiar with this verb, suit up.
Do you remember why we suit up, James? To show people that we are different from the millions of t-shirt and jeans lemmings out there. The suit shows that we are a force to be reckoned with, a two-person army that plays by its own rules. Okay, meet me at the bar in 15 minutes and suit up. Where's your suit? Just once when I say suit up, I wish you'd put on a suit.
I did.
Lesson 1, lose the goatee. It doesn't go with your suit.
I'm not wearing a suit.
Lesson 2, get a suit. Suits are cool.
Exhibit A.
Building an igloo in Central Park. It's gonna be legendary. Snowsuit up! No, not again, not this year. You're going as my wingman. Flight suit up! Come on, I came back for you, Ted. I penguin suited up. Ted, oh my gosh, I love this moment. You know why? Because I'm gonna say it, and this time you're actually gonna say yes. You ready? You ready to say yes? Ted, suit up! Yes! No. Oh, come on!
Dress up or suit up, it means to put on smart clothes. These aren't the only meanings of the preposition up. For example, you can have a phrasal verb look up, which means to respect somebody. Preposition up can be combined with preposition for, and they can change the meaning of the verb. For example, stand up. You know well what stand up is, yes? To move in an upward direction from a chair. And stand up for, it means to mean something. For example, the letters BBC stand up for British Broadcasting Company. Also, you can stand up for yourself. For example, if you have a bad situation and somebody is bullying you or saying something against you, you can stand up for yourself. It means you can defend yourself. If you make up, well, the girls can think about the makeup that they put on their face, or you can make up with a friend. If you had a fight or a quarrel, you make up, you become friends again. And make up for means to do something nice when you have done something bad. For example, you are late for your date. And let's say you're half an hour late, which is very late. So you go and get some flowers for your girl, and this is how you make up for being late. To look down, It's not a phrasal verb because it means literally to look down on your feet. And to look down on somebody, it means to disrespect, to be hypocritical, to think that you are better than others, to look down on people. For example, my boss always looks down on people. It means that she is very hypocritical. She thinks too much of herself. Okay, down means to decrease. For example, you turn down the music, you speak down, or you keep it down. Also, it means to stop something, to shut down. When you finish working on your computer, you can shut it down. And here is a new word that everybody knows now, lockdown. One more preposition is out. You know, out, it's outside, not at home. For example, you can eat out. It means that you go and eat in a cafe. You don't cook for yourself. You can go out. It means you can go to a cafe, a restaurant, a cinema, whatever you like. If you want to ask somebody out, it means you want to ask somebody on a date. Also, you can use this preposition when something is no longer available. For example, the tickets are sold out. If you don't want to use your account anymore, you can log out. If you don't want to work anymore in your office, you can walk out. Out, it's a very interesting preposition and it can be quite tricky. For example, let's have a look at the meaning of phrasal verb make out. It means, basically, in the first place, it means to manage with some difficulty to see or hear someone or something. When something is far, far away, let's say a road sign, and you try to figure out and to make out what it means, you use this phrasal verb. For example, you can say, oh, it's so far away, I can't make it out. I don't understand what it shows, what it says. And be careful because make out also means to kiss somebody. Figure out, to understand. This phrasal verb is used a lot in movies and in everyday speech. Figure out. There is quite a nice saying: if you wait to figure out everything before starting anything, it will never happen. Isn't it right? Also, out can be combined with off. For example, run out of. You can run out of time, you can run out of petrol, of sugar, you can run out of money. Have a look at this little conversation. Hello, I have run out of cash. Can you lend me some money? I can't, sorry, I'm out of work. To be out of work, to run out of cash, these are all phrasal verbs that you can use in your everyday life.
That's about it. Thanks for your attention. I will see you online very soon.